doubles from good old Case Planters. Hey there everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is June 16th, I think. It's Tuesday. And we're getting ready for wheat harvest. So we got this MacDon hooked up. We got the MacDon on the 8120 over here somewhere. Hang on, we'll go find it. We're probably a solid month out from wheat harvest yet, but we're getting closer. So it should all come around pretty quick the way it's looking. Things are kind of moving right along. We hope anyway. So this is our other header. It's essentially a MacDon. Well, it is a MacDon. It's a 974 with Case IH stickers on it. I think they call it the 2062. Yeah, it's a 2062. So we need to replace the center canvas and the roller bearings in this one. So we're gonna put it on this trailer and pull it in our shop and work on it that way. And then we'll bring the combine in so we can pick it up and set it down. Unfortunately, we don't have any doors big enough to drive straight in, so we got to make do with what we have. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Skylar was fixing tires actually, but got him. Kill me? Or just injure me?
Right there,
yeah. Dump me, right? That'll work.
That's a two-hander.
I think we just need to buy another road track, don't you? I've been sending you nice ones on Marketplace. You have to go ask the bank for some money. See what old Travis says. They'd be like, you don't need any more quad tracks. Never have too many. People who've never run one.
Someone says that, you should just block them.
I better go help Dylan.
We'll just headed over to Casey's place today. Got one of our MacDons stashed in the shed over there. It's a beautiful Tuesday. About 80 something degrees with about 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So just an average day in South Dakota.
south door, you pull it straight east, and then crank the forklift hard to the north, and we'll pull the combine in the north door. Yeah, you might be too far. Watch the hoist. Watch it, yeah. This one will zoom in far enough. That's a bear. You guys want to go pet him? Alright, so we're going to put this one away for the time being. This one don't need much. Maybe a few, well, we might have to rebuild the cutter bar now that I'm looking at it from here, but I think this one had all new guards and stuff last year. So it's probably just going to be sections, and looks like there's a couple of things that need to be straightened on it. So we're going to put this in the shed, and we're going to go back over to the shop and try to pull that center canvas on the old draper and go from there. Skylar's over there picking up the hitch for this thing. This one's got the built-in transport. It's okay. I don't know. I always get questions about it. It's not, next time we buy one, I think it would just be cheaper to go buy a good header trailer and leave the wheels off of it. Maybe you can't buy a MacDon without it. I don't know, but you can't pull it very fast down the road. I know that. Oh, this thing still zoomed the fuck in. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. First step, getting the, what do you suppose you call that? The splice? Yeah. Splice off. It's kind of bent. And I'm about zero help. Let me get you a big pry bar. What are you doing? Why don't you get a job? What is this? You got the pry bar in there? No. I got the I'll get you a pry bar. Okay. You always gotta have your nose and everything. Huh? Should have blew this off a little bit, I suppose, before we brought it in. Let's see, those run on the motor. I'm gonna try pulling it this way, I think. Oh yeah, this one's a cakewalk compared to the other ones. What's catching? There we go. I suppose it was just crooked yet. Oh, I forgot. I got a head mount for my camera, so I can strap that bitch. Hang on. Let me go set that up quick. No. Good. Is it good? Yeah. You sure? Yeah. You're not giving me shit? Lying to me?
No, it's good. I can see myself.
Okay, perfect. Oh, man. Look at that. You got a hell of a POV now. You can just follow me around all day. Getting the people what they want. God, why does everything gotta be so fucking dirty? There we go. I don't know if there's really anything wrong with that. That canvas don't look too bad. Is it just because the bearings are out? What's that? They're both broken? Oh yeah, they got rubbed off. I got new ones upstairs though. Okay. Yep. That way we can replace them. Is this why it went? Oh, yep. Look at that. Bearing out. Bearing thinking about going out. Alright, we gotta take this off. I think you just take these loose. These should be carriage bolts, I believe. Aren't they? Yeah. What size are they? 15/16? Quit eating that stuff. Quit. Oh, by golly. You were right. I don't know why I didn't bring an impact. That's how you can tell how old I am. We used to not have those back in the day. Now, I think... Oof, it's been a while since I've done this. Sometimes it's a real bitch getting that bearing out. Can you push your bolt out?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Now, all the MacDon experts are going to tell me I really need to take this shit off. And I'm pretty sure they're not wrong, but I wonder if we can't MacGruber it out of there. If we just twist it a little bit, maybe. Suppose if we took the fucking grease strips off of it. Or what? Oh, there's gotta be a way. There we go. Okay, now we gotta get... Oh yeah, that bearing is shot. Hang on, let me show him. Wow. There's your problem. How's that one look? Not much better. She's fucked too. Oh man, look what Logan did. He made this mess and then he didn't clean any of it up. Working on his camper. I actually think that was Skylar in the corn head, but we'll blame Logan for it. Okay, now we gotta get those out. What does I do for these people? Alright. Ready? Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I got a grease zerk I didn't take off. Spin it the other way just a little bit. Keep going. Huh, that's weird. Why'd that get stuck? How am I going to get that grease zerk off there? You know, I don't quite remember either. Did you take yours off? Or you got a straight one? No, yours is on there too.
Right over it.
Yeah, but the nut won't come off of it. We'll have to get them off of there. What size are them? 3 7/16? 3/8? Old music is like Hawaiian shirts and Tito's vodka. I don't think anybody's ever gonna answer.
That's how yesterday I was on it for 17 minutes and they just kept repeating the same thing every so often in some stupid southern accent.
Pretty.
Like some guy that was, hang in there, someone be right here. About 30 times he said that probably.
Pretty soon it'll ring me back to the secretaries and they'll be like, Part or West Side. How can I help you?
Why did you put me on hold? Because the parts were busy? Or?
No, they transferred me the parts, but I'm on hold because parts are busy. I would assume that's the case.
Barnes, this is Andrew.
Yeah, Andrew, this is Casey. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Say, I've got a 2062 MacDon or Case header, 36 footer. Be like a 974 MacDon.
Or 0974.
Yeah. The 2162s would be like the FDs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, 974, but that's going to have an 873 adapter on it.
Yes. Yep.
So...
Better turn the camera back
I
on.
don't know if you'd have the
How's it looking?
seals.
Can you tell? Like, is it looking decently?
Kinda. Look down where you're working. Then
Okay.
I think put your hands up in there. Yeah. I think it'll be okay. It looks okay.
Okay. Let me slide it this way a little bit more. That's the bearing?
Yeah.
Okay, now we can...
Did he have the seal? Did he say?
I would assume
But the
they
seal
come
might be
with
okay.
seals.
Who knows?
I don't know.
You don't know, and you can't trust these dealers anymore. They ain't got nothing. Shit. Can't even get a... Fucking... Don't get me started. Have to cut the whole video out and start ranting and raving about it. Miles at Titan, he's already going to be watching, so I can't bitch about Titan anymore. Can't bitch about RDO. Can't bitch about Kibble.
Leaves you with nothing.
I know it. Is that one not coming?
Keep it.
So I was put this nut on here to not fuck the threads up, and then I think I kind of fucked the threads up. Uh-oh. What are we going to do?
Was your nut crooked? Because it's crooked.
Yeah, it's definitely crooked.
This one's gonna be a bitch.
Why?
Is that inside collar just gonna pop out of the bearing?
So you're telling me...
Can you pull this whole tube out of it? Just pull that. We'll just use the puller on that.
Why are you so smart, Skyler? Every time. Looks like this one's definitely been... Look at that. They heated that up once. You can definitely tell it's been replaced one time. Either that or that's how hot it got riding out. Maybe that's what happened.
Yeah.
Oof does.
They've been in the shop.
We're gonna have to clean that puppy up. These threads are fucked too. But I can run a dye down. Levy! Come here! Hey! Nothing? Did it slide out of there?
Yeah.
You might have to really tighten them jaws up, yeah. Here, bring it around. Let's hold it up so we can see what we're doing.
I think they're not gonna be able to catch the actual bearing. They're just gonna catch the collar.
Sure they will. Come all the way down here. Or are they not going to be long enough?
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay. Well, what do? Just tighten these up?
Yep.
Am I going the right way?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm about ready to just stick a chunk of rebar in there and knock the sumbitch out.
Right.
Okay, just try. This ain't the right way, but... Alright, is it going to catch? Let's put it on the table now again. Nope, not going to catch, is it? Alright. We're going to do it my way then. Let's see, that's got a lip on it on the inside, don't it? Ah, so it might be a bit of a cocksucker to get it. To get in there between it, wouldn't it? How are we going to do that? My favorite way is just to cut them out. Fucking thing. Would you go grab a chisel, Dylan? See if you can chisel that inside out of there. I got it cut, but get that fire out there. Try to chisel that inside out if you can. Like just say, I bet it is.
How are we gonna get that collar out of there?
I'll cut it out. Yeah. I just wanted to get this out of my way first. Whoopsies. Cut through a little farther on the one side. Oh well. I think I can cut through there anyway. Without cutting the rest of it all to hell. Huh. Look at that. It's like a mirror of a mirror. Alright, get to work. Mic's connected. Alright. Here we go. You ready? Did you hold it for me? Close your eyes. This thing shoots shit all over. How's it look? Good enough? Alright, now for funsies, we'll try to put that seal in maybe.
The what?
Put the seals in. I wonder if maybe we should put that shaft through there first probably, huh? Let's clean this shaft up a little bit and then. Well, you meant business when you were on that, weren't you? Did you get the threads work?
Yeah, I just did the one side though.
Okay.
That went on fine.
Yeah.
You got some emery cloth?
Yeah, there should be some of the toolbox over there.
After, same thing with Elrod.
Right.
Or down on Peterson's, looking like that Tuesday, Wednesday.
Okay.
Could accelerate and go super fast.
Right, with the heat.
coming.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything's been about 3 days behind where I was thinking, so it should be
Maybe it'll be 3 days ahead.
about 3 days ahead now.
Yeah. So I'm still kind of cleaned out because I sprayed a little clethodim last week on them flowers, you know, just parts of it. I didn't do what was killed because I didn't want to make tracks and get accused to do, you know, lose my leverage. What do you think's going to happen? Are some of them going to pull through?
I think everything's going to pull through except for the like 6 to 9, 10 rows.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is what it's going to be.
Because that's what Laird finally went by there like Sunday or something. He's like, them things look like shit. And I was like, well, I kind of think they look better than they did.
They look way better than they did.
Yeah.
Because I mean, it was yellow way up the hillside
Right.
last week. And then now I'm like, well,
Right.
they're stunted, but
They're kind of coming out of it.
coming back.
Growing 52,000 bushels on market to go from an insurance guarantee to a grant of 37,000.
Okay.
The average price so far, we're 50% through the soybean seasonal, and the average price has been around 10.30. My thought being, damn near 40 cents above the average price to try to lay some risk off and hit an increment in here while we are, damn near knocking on the 6-month highs. And my thought is if we hit an increment here and the strength continues, our next focal point would be right around $11 on board trade to hit another increment.
Sure. Okay. What are we thinking here? You know, I wonder if it wouldn't be easier to get it. Yeah, there we go. If it wouldn't be easier to pull it around. Like, can we pull this all this way?
Get a little bit more. Or you should be able to go all this.
Okay. And get it past this, there. Now, we can get this sumbitch. Worst, these middle ones fucking suck. I think more than the side ones.
Middle one suck?
Yeah, let me get, no, I mean the middle canvas. Let me get this side started here, Dylan. And then we'll kind of work our way down. The side ones, you got a little more room to fuck with them.
I think there's loops we can get.
Yeah. We'll get it here. Okay. Just go one at a time. Just keep pushing them in here. Now, before I lose all this, no, we got to put this second one on. But I'm gonna vice grip it there, and then we'll keep working our way down here a little bit more. Oh man. This needs to go underneath this deal. That would help me a lot if that was in there. Okay. Just make your thumb sore is about what all it does. God damn it, I got one left here. And this is pulling over on me. Okay, now try to get that just a little bit further in there. Okay.
You want a vice grip here?
No, I want to get this on now, if we can. Now you'll want some vice grips. Once you kind of get one of them started. Actually, the guy probably should go get a big channel knot. That would help. Yeah, that's what I should have. Okay, there's that one. Shit, that's coming out. Okay, try not to lose these middle ones if you can. Put this one in the center. There. Okay, that's pretty good. It's probably just going to be me breathing heavily into this mic most of this video.
People like that now. It's called like ASMR.
Oh, really? A fat mouth breather? That's ASMR, huh? Fucking weirdos. I should start charging them for that kind of stuff, huh? There.
Shared that website with them.
I haven't got it set up yet. Wait. That might even be a little too far for me. Okay, give her hell. What's that?
I think I put that on like 2.
Yeah.
It doesn't take very much.
It's on 2.
Oh. Okay.
They twist off just as easy as these ones.
Right. I'm gonna, yeah, get your end one and then I'm gonna get a few down here. Didn't know if it was on or off. I think they about got to be flush, don't they? With the, isn't that how they go?
We should get pretty close.
Yeah. I don't want to twist them off either, because that.
Usually they just start spinning on the other end first.
And now that one does, for some reason. We didn't spend all morning fucking off all that. We wouldn't have to work till 6. Here, wait. How'd that go?
I don't know.
We didn't fuck off. Just kidding. We do got a few things to put away over there yet, though, in case it does get nasty out. Hey, and there we go. Did it catch or is it just?
Sounds like it.
Yeah, it probably is. It's just spinning on the. I don't know. That's probably good, ain't it? There you go. Got her done. Cool. That's part 1. We'll resume this shit in the morning.